Good morning, children. We are going to start our art and craft. This is the book, children. Open the book. Page number 3. This is page number 3. And here we have to use the poster colors, and you can take the colors of your choice. Here I am going to start with the choice of my colors, so you can take your own choice colors and then you can paint. So we will start painting. You start painting in one direction only, children. And before painting, you take one newspaper, open the paper and put under your paper one, so that the blotting or the ink spreading will not be there on the next page. So place one newspaper like this under the paper. You can see like this, and then you have to start coloring. So you need to take poster colors. These are poster colors. You will have one more box also. These are half colors. 2 sets of the colors will be there. These are the poster colors, and you need to have one broad brush and one small brush, one thin brush. This is the broad brush. You can see the brush. This is broad brush, and this one is the small brush. So these 2 kinds of brushes you have to use. So shall we start, children? Now I am taking red color. It's orange color, orange color, and I am starting. And you need to dip the brush in the water first before taking the color in the bottle. Before taking the color from the bottle, you must dip the brush in the water so that it will not become dark. So slowly you need to draw, you need to paint. Use the brush properly, and it should not come out of the line. It should be covered inside the line only. So don't come out of that line what is given over there. And draw in one direction. Paint in one direction only. Don't change the direction. Just do in one direction. If you do in one direction, the beauty comes. So please don't spread it out of the line. Can you see, children? Do it properly. And this edges, suppose you are not able to do with the broad brush, you can use the thin brush also. If you are able to manage with some broad brush, it's okay. If you are not able to manage, you can use the thin brush for doing it. Don't spread it out of the line. And here I am using orange color, children. You can use any color of your choice. It's given on the top. Use any color of your choice. This is the color of my choice. Then you need to add your color for the thing. After doing one color, wash the brush. And if you are taking the another color, you need to, if you want to change, you can change the brush. Otherwise, you can use the same brush, washing it in the water. Now we are going to add another color, that is green color. Already we started with orange, and then the next part we are going to do with green color. This is a small brush. Do it in only one direction, children. Move the brush in only one direction. Don't do it through and fro so that it looks ugly. If you do it only in one direction, the beauty comes. So do it only in one direction. Brush it only in one direction. Neatly and in that line only. Don't come out of the line. Brush it only in the use your brush only in the line. Don't cross the line, don't come out of the line. I hope you all are understanding, children. The brush is moving only in one direction, you can see it. So please try to do the same. Be careful, it should not spread out of the line. Do it carefully, children. Now again we are going back to orange color. We already finished green color. In the beginning we took orange, then we took green. Again we are going back to orange color. Yes. See, if so nicely without even touching the other colors, without touching the other lines. Very neatly you have to do. Don't spread it out of the lines. It looks very bad if you do that. You can use multicolors also, children. Here I am using only 2 colors. You can use even the multicolors. Instead of orange again you can take any other color. This is of my choice I am doing. If you want you can use some other color. 3 colors also you can use. We'll use blue color for the flag on the top. So at least the 3rd color will be there. Now the boat is done. Now little more is there. Yes, this is brown color, children. We are going to take for the pole. We are using brown color for the pole. Don't touch your hand on the drawing what you have already done, because it has to dry. Without drying, if you touch it, it will touch to your hand. So be careful when you are doing it. Do it in one direction, children. There should be no white patches. Do it carefully. Take the brown color and do it for the pole, children. It looks nice. That also is a wooden piece, the stand for the flag. So that part also do it with the brown color. You need to keep one rough cloth beside you when you are dipping the brush in the water. You need to little squeeze it. So if you have the cloth, you can nicely clean your hands also. So keep your one rough cloth or dust cloth in your beside you when you are doing this work. Now we will be drawing the flag. We will draw blue color, children, for the flag. You can keep white also, but then Because we are painting, let us learn to paint. So we will be doing even the flag also we will be painting. So these are poster colors, children. You need to dip your brush in water before dipping it into the color pot or color bottle. Whatever bottle you are using the color, before dipping the brush into the color bottle, first dip it into the water and make the brush wet so that the thick layer of the color will not touch to the brush. It will come in a light manner. It will be easy for you to brush. If it is thick, it looks very unpleasant. It looks very ugly. So better you dip it in the water before you, even after taking the color also little lightly you have to dip it in the water. Before dipping in the bottle and after dipping in the bottle also lightly you should dip it in the tip. Only the tip of the brush should be dipped in the water. Be careful, children, don't touch if your colors, whatever you drew is dried up, you can place your hand, otherwise it will touch to your hand. Let it dry and then you draw the other part so that it won't touch to your hand. Do it only in one direction, children, brushing. Hope you all are enjoying coloring I hope you all will enjoy it, because you need concentration so that it will not spread out of the line. You need to concentrate and paint it or draw it, you can say. You need some concentration. Your heart and mind should be together when you do this. Take interest and do it very neatly. It should not spread out of the line. Here we are using thin brush so that that light should not come out of the line. Do it in one direction. Don't change the direction. Now down part you have to change, because it is not possible to do without spreading out of the line. Yes. So this is the way you have to color. Okay, this is what, children. The next two you have to do it on your own. So for today, this is the class. I hope you all understood how to do. Thank you for watching, children, and try to do in your page number 3 with the poster colors. Have a good day, children. God bless you. Stay home, stay safe.